Welcome back again to Yashu recording, and today is another day in Pune and अभी time हो रहा है 11:15 and I slept so late yesterday. So right now I'm planning to go for a healthy breakfast because रात में वो थाली खाने के बाद my stomach is just acting really weird. So I'm gonna go. I searched few places in Pune, but I found one of the healthiest place to eat breakfast. तो अभी वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं and I'll take you there. So guys, we have arrived to this place 108 Lifestyle Cafe and it's pretty old, not that new one. And let me show you the entrance. Let's get in. So this is a place quite spacious actually. I guess we sit there. And I have ordered coffee and look at the kind of cup and the way they have served the coffee. It's really beautiful. I'll show you guys. Wait. See this. Those who are coffee person, they should visit this place once. And best part is यहाँ पे पूरी glass की window है and you can see the view outside and enjoy the coffee. Brilliant. And this is eggs in hell, and there's another dish which we have ordered is falafel bowl, which has hummus, salad and some falafels. So let me eat and tell you how it is. This bread is so nice. और मैंने लास्ट में ऑर्डर किया है न्यूयॉर्क बेक चीज़ केक एंड आई होप दिस लुक्स अमेजिंग. लेट मी टेस्ट इट. दिस इज हेवन. आई कैन नॉट स्टॉप. तो अभी हम लोग आए हैं फिनिक्स मॉल पुणे में और राइट नाउ आई एम हैविंग लंच एंड let me show you what I'm having for lunch. है पूरी सब्जी with some आलू की सब्जी and ये है मटर छोले with कुलचा. And this place is called दादू स्वीट एम्पोरियो. बहुत सही जगह है यहाँ पे. लाइक प्रॉपर नॉर्थ इंडियन खाना मिलता है. Mostly like it's more of like street food kind of place but delicious. So let me dig in. Really nice. So guys, right now the time is 5:05 and मैं वापस आके I just took some sleep and watched some TV and now I'm going for pool. They have like इतनी ठंडक में pool जाना बनता है but they have like temperature control pool, so I just want to check out that as well. So I'll see you in that pool. Bye. Welcome back again and अभी टाइम हो रहा है अराउंड 9 o'clock और आई एम रियली हंग्री राइट नाउ, सो आई थॉट कि लेट्स गो आउट एंड हैव समथिंग. After going for like swimming, I went to jacuzzi, sauna, and steam as well. And there is a slight difference between sauna and steam. I came to know it today only because steam तो मैंने already मेरे society में steam बात लेता रहता हूँ, but sauna I had for the first time. उसमें क्या था कि लाइक वहाँ पे बहुत सारे हॉट स्टोन थे एंड उस हॉट स्टोन के ऊपर हमें लगातार थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी गिराते रहना चाहिए ताकि टेम्परेचर रेगुलेट होता रहे. लाइक इट शुड बी हॉट इनसाइड सो दैट यू कैन स्वेट एंड बॉडी से जितने भी टॉक्सिन्स हैं वो सब निकल के बाहर आ जाए. सो इट वॉज़ रियली ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. आई एम सो रिलैक्स राइट नाउ. और अभी वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड शी वॉज इन पुणे, शी मूव टू अ डिफरेंट प्लेस नाउ. She told me if you are in Pune you should go to this Nawab Asia once in your lifetime if you are in Pune. तो मैंने सोचा चलो ठीक है चलते हैं नवाब एशिया बिकॉज आफ्टर 12:30 I didn't had anything, so right now I'm really hungry, so let me show you guys how it tastes like. And यहाँ पे क्रिसमस ट्री इन लोगों ने लाइट से बनाया. I'll show you. सही दिख रहा है. तो अभी हम लोग पहुँच गए नवाब एशिया एंड place is okay. It's not, the ambience is not that great, but let's see how the food is. So here comes our first appetizer, that is soup. This is tomato shorba. Very good. And here comes our next dish, paneer yellow mirchi. Taste it. Sorry, peeli mirchi. And here comes our main course, which is chicken lahori. Smells great. And I have ordered rumali roti as well, so I'll eat with that. Let's begin. So guys, I'm done with the dinner. Dinner was amazing. Like इतना tasty खाना था. After a long time I had this, and the best part is इतना सारा खाया and that is for just for 1,000 rupees. Imagine I had like 2 naan, one rumali roti, one curry, one starter, one soup, just for 1,000 rupees, and that too so tasty. So guys, I have come to a very special place here which is very famous for ice cream, and there were like a lot of reviews about this place. So let me taste, and this place is known as Shiv Kailash, and let me taste how this ice cream tastes like. So I have ordered pista ice cream with basundi, and most of the ice cream here is like this only. You get a basundi and then you have ice cream here. The ice cream isn't that tasty, I guess. I didn't find it. But basundi is really nice, but
ice cream is not that big. It's just like normal flavored ice cream. Big no. So guys, I'll be ending this vlog right now. I hope ये breakfast से dinner तक का पुणे वाला vlog आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा. And I'll meet you in another vlog. So I'll be ending this vlog right now, and I'll meet you in another vlog. Till then, goodbye and take care.